Thank you very much. Friends again. We are friends again.
We've always been friends.
No. So you were given the.
Step back, please.
Yeah.
That shows it.
Okay. So, where's the president of the G7?
He left his watch.
You left. You lost.
He's got his watch. You gotta be careful. Places like Canada. I thought you'd actually like it. I like it.
Interesting. Obviously, they left it
I just
unfortunately, we have to do what he said.
yeah, hopefully you haven't missed it.
Allez les bleus.
Okay.
Allez les bleus.
You understand? The rainbow. Before we moved.
He was the one to win.
But I think it's really
Champions League.
Yes. Yes, he won the Champions League. Yeah.
He's not happy. He pretends he's happy, but he's from inside.
No, I'm happy with the French team. I mean, don't say that. This is the French team.
Oh, you have to have it good.
So also about that.
Yeah, very well. They made a back-to-back. They won 2 times.
Yeah, they're doing very, very good. Very good. Very good, very good. So much. Yes, yes. Good goalkeeper. Yeah. We need luck sometimes, yeah?
But guys, you don't invest in UFC.
I was telling your team earlier, this UFC is growing bigger and bigger. I mean, it used to be boxing, but now the UFC is the event and whatever. We'll see.
Dana is amazing. Mr. President Dana is amazing guy. He's a great guy. Loves you guys. He's a great guy. Without him, everybody's replaceable. They say it's not. Dana White. He's a good person. I'm glad you got to watch that last fight. The last two fights. Two guys that couldn't be beaten, both guys.
Kia is joining. Did you see? The presidency?
I never decided to destroy my culture.
Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time for watching this video. And through this video, you now heard what is happening. You can drop your own opinion in the comment section. Let's know what you think. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. And bye.